Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and in today's video we are decorating my coffee bar for Christmas. This is one of my favorite areas to decorate and I am super excited to be taking you along with me. Let's go ahead and get started. Now if you haven't seen my previous decorating videos, I do have one of my family room and putting up my Christmas tree and one of my kitchen and dining room. And I am just living for how everything is turning out this year. So hopefully this one turns out just as good. So if you haven't seen those, make sure you go check them out. I do have a whole Christmas playlist and yeah, without further ado, let's really get to doing it now. Okay, before we go any further, I want to take a second to thank today's sponsor, Burga, for working with me again, and I had to bring in my partner in crime. This is my daughter, Michaela, and she loves Burga as much as I do, so I asked for her to come do this part of the video with me today because we love Burga products. If you guys remember a few months ago, I shared Burga. They make the most incredible phone cases. And one of the things that I love the most about the Burga products is that they are a no waste company. So they only make the product when you order it. So it's not like they're gonna have, you know, 17,000 of one type of phone case just kind of sitting around. They make what you order. So Michaela and I have different phones. We both have 13s, but I have a 13 Pro, right? We have 13s?
Yeah, I have a 13.
13, I always forget. And so she really likes the Elite cases. Why do you like the Elite cases, Michaela?
I love it because I fling my phone constantly. I'm just like walking in the hallway and it goes flying. I like hit it on my leg, I drop it. And it has not cracked my screen like at all. It's great because I fling it all the time.
So how long would you say you've had this case on your phone?
Since you gave it to me. I haven't taken it off.
Do you remember when that is? I don't, it's been months.
It's been a long time. I haven't taken it off.
I'm gonna have Michaela take her phone case off and she's gonna show you the back of her phone. This is what her phone looked like with previous cases before she put a Burga on it. That's what happened to her phone. So if you have a teenager at home, you know what that looks like and you know that that is very expensive to replace. So instead, Michaela uses the Elite cases, and the Elite cases are so fantastic because they have this fabric lining on the inside, so they're extra insulated. They are fully encased. They've got this gorgeous beveling that looks so very fancy, and she's going for the mob wife look. This is very popular and on trend. Would you agree?
Yeah, I love it. I'm obsessed with June right now.
Which is another cool thing about Burga is they're constantly changing their patterns and they're always on trend and very, what would you say, like fashionable?
Yeah,
so
trendy is a good word for it.
Trendy is a good word. So here's a look at her new phone case and her cute boyfriend. And love. And they also have matching iPad cases. So she's like full-blown mob wife here, going for the mob wife trend, which you gotta love. And she takes this to school every day?
Yes,
right?
I took my notes on it, so.
She has a gigantic backpack. She refuses to go to her locker. She's in lots of honors and AP classes. So she's a senior in high school. So she's got a lot of stuff in the backpack and those make sure that they are safe. I, on the other hand, I like a little bit less of a case. I like one that's a little bit smoother. I am very gentle with my phone. I don't throw my phone. What would I say? I'm very cutesy, very demure. Yes, the way that I carry my phone around. So I don't need as tough of a case, and I found this super cute one. It's called Gone Country. Can you even? I love it. I love a lace.
Yeah.
I love a lace, and this one has a really nice rubber insert, so it keeps it really protected. And their cases are really fantastic. And like I said, they have great designs. So this is the one Michaela had on her phone before. It's like a geode case. This is also another one that we grabbed for Michaela. She loves the koi fish. So very pretty. And I snagged this one as well. I was really feeling the florals. Kind of in my granny era. But
I almost picked the floral one too.
I mean, it's great. And on top of all of that cuteness, I also got a matching tumbler.
And they work really well.
They do.
I got one with the last sponsorship. It was a cute little pink one, and I bring it to work with me. I'm a CNA, and I kept my coffee warm until like 12 o'clock, which is when I would go on lunch. So
yeah.
It was great.
Yeah. So she has the smaller one. I, of course, got the bigger one because bigger person, bigger coffee needs, and that's okay. They also have cases for your earbuds and lots of designs. AirPod Pros. Yes, they've got a ton of great options. So I was so excited when Burga reached out to partner with me again. I don't know who was more excited, me or this one.
It was me. I had a cart full.
She was ready to go. So we were super excited. We were either, the Burga was going on her Christmas list. I think it might actually still be going on the Christmas list. And that leads me into their Black Friday sale, which is so incredible. So if you are interested in getting some new cases for your phone, or if you've got a teenager or someone in your life that would love this kind of gift, now is the time. Starting November 19th through December 3rd, they're having their Black Friday sale, 25% off everything site-wide, which is incredible. On top of, they've got a buy two, get two free with their cases. So for every 2 cases you buy, you get 2 for free. Michaela was like, she already knew that was happening. She came down and let me know that was happening. And on top of that, with my discount code listed here, you get an extra 5% off. So that gives you 30% off plus the buy two, get two free. So now is the time to stock up, get those Christmas gifts for the loved ones in your life. And thank you so much, Burga, for partnering with us. You have made us both very happy girls. Thank you. Here's a quick look at the coffee bar we're going to be working on today. If you're new to my channel, this is a space right outside my bedroom door. I love it. We've got this sweet little window that we can look out into the backyard while our coffee is brewing. But let's be honest, first thing in the morning, that sun is not up. So there's really not much to see. We're going to start by hanging this really sweet Merry Christmas banner that I picked up last year. I decided I wanted to keep it pretty light here in the coffee bar. I just don't want it to feel overwhelming. It's so early in the season. I can add more as we go. I just don't want to get overwhelmed with my decor. So I'm keeping it light. I'm skipping a garland this year, and I think it turned out really nice. We're going to start with the shelf to the right. I've got a antique crock there that's holding some wooden utensils along with a breadboard and a little tin pitcher from Hobby Lobby. And I'm bringing in that Don't Stop Believing ornament that is from Walmart. I picked that up last year and I think it's really cute. I'm also bringing in some picks, and we're going to, of course, bring in some Santa mugs. I also have these hooks under the shelf to bring in a little bit more of fun decor, and I'm bringing in these sweet gingerbread mugs from Home Goods that bring in a really, really sweet touch. To the other side, I have another antique crock with some faux eucalyptus and another breadboard. Again, just those are kind of staples that live here always. I'm also bringing in a tea towel there with some red striping detail and one of those mittens, oven mitts from Rachel Ashwell's Farmhouse line. I picked that up at Home Goods, and of course, you guessed it, more Santa mugs. This glass gingerbread house is from Target. I picked this up last year in the dollar section. However, I do know that they have it this year, so if you are interested, you can definitely try to get your hands on one. I was on a hunt all season long last year, and my friend Stacy was able to find 2 for me. I was beyond excited. Another great use for these glass canisters are to hold your marshmallows for all of the hot cocoa you're going to drink. My boys drink so much hot cocoa from now until spring, I can't even begin to tell you. I always buy these sweet little snowman marshmallows from TJ Maxx or Home Goods. They have them every year, and my boys absolutely love these. We're going to finish it off by giving it a quick little wipe down and getting it nice and clean, and then I'm going to walk you through this coffee bar area. Okay, my friends, we're done. I know this is going to be a short video, and I probably could have wrapped this up in one of my other ones, but I just never know where I'm going with the coffee bar. And this year I decided to actually keep it a little bit more simple. I know that might sound crazy because it's still jam-packed, but I think just having this Merry Christmas banner up here and not having garland just keeps it bright and airy, and I really, really like that. There's something very cozy when I come out here to make my coffee and it's snowing out there. Right now it's not, but it just can get very, very beautiful out there. So I just kept it very minimal. I picked up these napkins. I've shown these in my previous videos. These are from Home Goods. They're from Rachel Ashwell. from her Farmhouse line, and I love them. These are the Pottery Barn mugs. This is from Walmart, and these little picks here, I buy these every year. These are from Hobby Lobby, as is the tin. And then these adorable mugs are also from Home Goods. I shared these on my Instagram when I found them. I love them. And the glass gingerbread houses are from Target. They're from the dollar section. They're $5. I got these last year, but I did see on Instagram that they have them again. And I've got one of those sweet little Santa ornaments in there that I did wash, and we'll use that for our collagen powder in the morning. This spoon rest is from Home Goods 101 years ago, but I love it. I do believe it's a Ray Dunn, which I know is not everybody's jam, but I think that one's adorable. Again, I've got my skylight calendar here. This thing is great, and I've got 3 like wallpaper style pictures on it that will rotate, and I think that's so fun and so pretty. On this side, we've got just a tea towel with some red striping. This is a mitten, which I showed another one in my kitchen, Decorate With Me. Here we've got an array of Santa mugs. I have quite the collection. This one is from Pottery Barn. This one I just picked up this weekend at Scranton's, which is an antique store. This one here is an espresso one I got at Home Goods a couple of years ago, and there's more of those more of those tree picks. Coming down here to the bottom, I've got this tree mug here, mug tree from Target. I picked this up a couple of years ago, and these Santa mugs are also from Target, and I think they're really sweet. And then I've got another one of those glass gingerbread houses, which inside I have some snowman marshmallows for the kids' hot cocoa. And again, I just really love how clean and fresh this all looks, and it doesn't feel cluttered or, like I'm gonna get over it very quickly. So absolutely loving this view in the morning. So very pretty.
Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. Make sure you're subscribed, come back for more, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a beautiful day, my friends.